Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I wanted to show you guys the sneak peek because today is the last day. So you have actually up until tomorrow to get your order in for the May paper pumpkin. You guys, this is a special one. This is inspired by Shelly, who is the co-founder of Stampin' Up. So I want to show you. They showed us these at Onstage, so I have it for you. Look at this pretty ribbon. I think it's in that Rococo Rose color. It's so pretty. So I really like that. And then, of course, the little dimensionals. And this isn't all you get. What's awesome is they did give us a sneak peek, but there's 4 different cards, you guys. There's going to be 12 cards this month. 12 of them. You guys, 12 of them for 20 bucks? You can't buy that. And then you get to hand make it. So I was able to get my hands on this little guy that they gave us during Onstage. Look at that lined paper. And this. Whoo! I'm super excited. And then we've got this guy here. We've got some cutouts. Again, this is just a little teeny sneak peek of the set that's going to be coming to my mailbox in May. So they don't have the stamps. They didn't give us the stamps to showcase, but I'm going to just grab the special celebrations because I love this happy birthday here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it. Of course, it's brand new, so oh, I have used it before. There we go. So I'm going to take this guy and I'm just going to stick him right on my block. And you do get a block with your first paper pumpkin order. And then you just keep your block and it carries over. So all we're going to do, I mean, this one is super cute. And look at that. I have little lovebirds on my patio that year after year they come and make a little nest. So I'm just taking my bone folder and flattening that down a little bit. You can color it in with some markers if you have any. If you do use the alcohol markers, it will bleed through and you'll be able to see it here. So if you were going to do an alternative and like maybe cut this out, then you could color and put it on a different base. That would be super cute. So you guys, I have to tell you, I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek here of my mess. I love having my little, this little storage set right there because it lets me just grab and go. I love it. So that was my little funsies. It looks like they gave us a couple of these in here too. So I'm sure there's going to be lots of stuff in our little paper pumpkin kit. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this and then let me see what color I have that I might want to use. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use that brand new Rococo Rose that's going to be coming out. I don't know what ink color they're going to be giving us, but I'm stamping all day today, and so I'm just going through what I have. I'm going to use this Rococo Rose color. It is coming out. Make sure you add it, because once you see this, you're going to be like, yep, I need to add that to my wish list. So I'm just going to ink that guy up right there. And I'm going to take that happy birthday and stick it right in here. I'm just holding it down just a little bit. And what that does is it allows that ink to transfer right on there. Look at how pretty that is. That's so pretty. Okay, let's close this little guy back up. Oh, this is a new one. I already have ink all over my hands because I've been stamping all day. All right, so we've got that one down. And then I'm going to, I think I'm going to put this right here. Oh, I love it. I'm going to add some of these little dimensionals here. Where's my tool? Here it is. Just going to put a couple of these here. And then I'm going to put one right in the middle. So then I'm going to take this little guy off of here. If you do not have one of these tools, you need to get one. It is the Stampin' Up! Take Your Pick tool. And what I do actually, if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, every month I randomly send the Take Your Pick tool to one of my Paper Pumpkin subscribers. So just a little way of saying thank you. So now I'm just going to kind of go over this, and I'm actually going to add a little bit of snail adhesive. I always like to have some snail adhesive on hand, and that way I'm just going to go back and forth with this here, but that snail adhesive is holding this in. So we'll see here. I want this to kind of look like it's folded over, but it's not doing it. There we go. Well, I guess it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to be folded, so that's okay. All right. Now I'm going to stick this right on here, just down toward the bottom a little bit so you can really see that cute little nest. And then these guys, we're going to add right on there. And again, you could pop these up with the dimensionals. And look how quick and easy these cards are. So I don't think it'll take much time at all to do 20 of them. So I'm going to stick that one right there. And then this guy, I'm going to stick him down a little bit. There we go. There. And then, if we mess up, we have this guy. You could always turn it over if you want it to be just blank. We've got our card envelope here, and it's already ready. Look at how cute that is. Alrighty, so we are just going to flip that over because you know how I keep my cards. And you guys, I'm already signed up to get mine. I hope you guys are signed up to get yours. What else? Oh, if you do, let me grab my stuff real quick. You can always go to paperpumpkin.com. Just choose me as your demonstrator, Jean Piersanti. If you want to purchase through my website, you can always do so there. That way you can use your host code and you'll get a little thank you card. So then you'll get the code for a pre-purchase. So I know a lot of you guys, when you go to sign up for Paper Pumpkin, you ask me if there's a code. There is not a code if you go straight to Stampin' Up. If you go straight to Paper Pumpkin. If you go to Stampin' Up, purchase the pre-purchase, because you can do 3 months, I think it's 6 months and a year. That way that locks in your price, because I believe it may be going up just a bit in the new catalog. So, but that'll lock in your price if you get it this month. So go ahead, check it out. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like this card. I think it's adorable. And oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see what the other 3 designs are. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.